Welcome to the world of geography, where interesting phenomena and unbelievable facts abound. Today we delve into an ocean of mind-boggling facts about the Earth, secrets that few people know. Earth is an awe-inspiring place, but its dimensions are even more astounding. This planet has an impressive surface area of approximately 510 million square kilometers. Our world isn't a perfect sphere. It has a slight bulge at the equator and is flattened at the poles, making it an oblate spheroid. Ever wondered why we have time zones? It is because Earth rotates 15 degrees every hour. Hence, we have 24 equal time zones corresponding to Earth's 360-degree rotation. Mount Everest is the world's highest peak, right? Well, not from the base. That title goes to Mauna Kea in Hawaii, which, from its underwater base, stands over 10,000 meters high. You know about the Sahara Desert, a realm of heat and sand. But did you know that it was once a lush green landscape teeming with life? Fossils and rock paintings hint at its verdant past. Ever heard of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch? It's a giant floating mass of plastic debris, twice the size of Texas, a stark reminder of our need to protect the planet. Do you know which country has the most languages? It's Papua New Guinea, with over 820 languages spoken, making it the most linguistically diverse place on Earth. We've all heard about the Dead Sea's buoyancy, but have you ever wondered why? The water is nearly 10 times saltier than the ocean, making it denser and thus buoyant. Antarctica, the coldest place on Earth, is also the largest desert. Its annual precipitation is just about 200 mm along the coast and far less inland. The Amazon River is an incredible geologic feature. It discharges more water into the sea than the next 7 largest rivers combined. Ever heard of the country that doesn't have an airport? Monaco, the second smallest country, only has a heliport, with flights mainly from Nice, France. Lake Baikal in Siberia is the deepest and oldest freshwater lake in the world, holding 20% of the Earth's unfrozen freshwater. The wettest inhabited place on Earth is Mawsynram in India, receiving a whopping 11,871 millimeters of rain annually. Did you know the driest place on Earth is not a desert? It's the Atacama Desert in Chile, where some weather stations have never recorded rain. Ever wondered if countries can be landlocked by a single country? Vatican City and San Marino are entirely surrounded by Italy. The pole of inaccessibility is the point on land most distant from the oceans. It's located in Antarctica. Everest grows about 4 millimeters per year due to the movement of tectonic plates. Australia is the only continent without an active volcano. The San Andreas Fault in California is not a single fault, but a complex series of faults spread over 800 miles. The world's largest sand island is Fraser Island in Australia, stretching over 123 kilometers in length. The Sahara Desert expands at an alarming rate of about 0.8 kilometers per month. Lake Superior in North America is so vast, it could cover the entire landmass of North and South America with 1 foot of water. Ever heard of a country with no rivers? Saudi Arabia is one such place, solely depending on wells and seawater desalination. The world's smallest island with country status is Pitcairn in the Pacific Ocean, with just 50 inhabitants. Did you know there are more than 2,000 thunderstorms occurring across the world at any given time? Alaska is the westernmost, easternmost, and northernmost state in the United States, due to the Aleutian Islands stretching across the 180 degrees line of longitude. The Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the world's oceans, reaching a depth of over 36,000 feet. The Atlantic Ocean is getting bigger each year by about 2.5 centimeters, while the Pacific Ocean is shrinking. The Angel Falls in Venezuela is the world's highest waterfall, standing at an incredible height of 979 meters. The world's largest salt flat, Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, creates a mirror effect after rain, making it look like you're walking on clouds. The largest single living organism on Earth is a fungus, Armillaria ostoyi, in the Blue Mountains of Oregon, covering over 2,200 acres. Did you know that the Pacific Ring of Fire is home to 75% of the world's active volcanoes? The Nile River, known as the longest river, flows contrary to most rivers from south to north. Mount Thor in Canada features Earth's greatest vertical drop of 1,250 meters. Ever heard of the Door to Hell? It's a natural gas field in Derwez, Turkmenistan, which has been burning continuously since 1971. An average iceberg contains more fresh water than the entire country of Jamaica uses in 1 year. Africa is the only continent to extend from the northern temperate zone to the southern temperate zone. Finally, Earth's largest living structure is Australia's Great Barrier Reef. Visible from space, it spans over 2,300 kilometers. And that's a wrap. A journey through the geographical wonders of our planet. Remember, geography is all about curiosity. Keep exploring, keep learning, and you'll discover a world full of wonders.